the zoo. So this is a field trip. Get this, guys. What we have over there? So there's a lot of schools here today. So let's see what we are going to see today at the zoo. Turkleback Zoo in West Orange, New Jersey.
You see him up there at the top?
Where? Ah! Those are those big bison cow, guys. Nice. That's the bison, guys. Big old bison.
I see it too.
That's the
You don't need to climb. Look up there.
Don't lean over, Mark, please. Can we go play in there?
No, you hold on. I don't know.
Oh, just stretch it. It's tired.
We are getting ready to get on the train.
Came from Lagoon City.
Look over there, guys. Look over there. Look over there.
This world is called Lagoon City.
Oh, wow. This is like park.
This looks like Lagoon City.
You can get all those boats and you get to ride out. Very beautiful.
Looks like Lagoon City.
Have you ever come up here walking?
Yeah. I used to fish here before they built it. It was years ago.
Wait to
And over this side, guys, you have the woodland, and now we're going around. We're getting ready to go through a tunnel. You see how nice and green this is looking. Right. There goes the train.
the funniest place in Brazil. Miru is headlining tonight's sold-out show. Right down the road from the Essex County Sheriff's Railway Gate. Sheriff
Somebody gonna be there. And we are back.
Miss Williams, I saw a dead end.
Is that what?
Dead end right there. Say hi. Say hi to the people.
All right, so that's it. Getting ready to come out. So now we are going to find the penguins.
Right there, what's that?
And it's good.
No, Miss Williams.
I don't know. Let's get it
They're going back. Wait, what's here? Oh, that's a mama turtle.
Wow, that's a big
baby
one.
turtle. Yes. Wow. Let me tell you something. Mom, look. It's turtle. Sit over here.
Now you're going to sleep now.
Turtle.
That was rough work.
I want to be down there. Hello.
See how cute the bird? Oh, I didn't see that. Look at the big.
Hello. Hello.
It's right there.
Hello. I want to catch you on the light.
That's how we know. So over here, guys, the lions are there, laying down there resting.
Do you understand me? Take his hand. Right there.
Go. No, you can't touch one. That's like only me.
You're a monster.
No, I'm not. I want to cook them. Leave them alone.
You're a monster.
Not a twat.
So there. Not yet, we're not gonna eat lunch yet. We just got here, but this is where we are going to eat our lunch. But it's looking like this. Wait for me.
Okay, where's Follow Miss Wallace. Follow Miss Wallace. My class, let's go.
Alright, sit. Go ahead. Where's Zayden?
I see one!
Where is he?
Right there! I see one! Are you crazy?
Where is he?
I'm crazy. I in there. I'm crazy.
You guys were trying to see the sea lion. Oh, look, look, look.